Hello and welcome to my video on what is ChatGPT. Today, I am going to tell you about what is ChatGPT, how to use it, its features, its advantages and disadvantages, my opinion about it, and some updates about GPT-4. First of all, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT, also known as the Conversational Language Model, is a machine learning model developed by OpenAI. It is based on the GPT-2 model, which stands for Generative Pre-training Transformer 2. ChatGPT is designed to generate human-like text based on a given input or prompt. It can be used for a variety of applications, such as chatbots, language translation, and text generation. How to use ChatGPT? In order to use ChatGPT, first user need to sign up at following website link with his/her email ID and password, or using Google or Microsoft account. The link is also in description. After user has signed up, following dashboard screen appears. After user has signed up, following dashboard screen appears. User can start interacting with the ChatGPT bot as shown in the box provided. ChatGPT replies to your query in the same screen and above the box provided for query. User can modify the query and pose it again and again till he/she satisfies with the response from the ChatGPT. ChatGPT learns itself from the past query and provide adequate response for future queries to the user. Features of ChatGPT. Following are the features of ChatGPT. It understands overall context of query or conversation and generates specific responses which are relevant to the topic. It has ability to learn from previous conversations and utilizes the same to provide relevant responses to any future queries based on learning. It continuously improves over time and becomes more effective chatbot. It can be used as language learning tool. It can be used as language translation tool. Now, what are the advantages of ChatGPT? Number 1. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to understand and respond to context. For example, if you provide a prompt such as, "What is the capital of France?" the model will generate the correct answer, Paris. It can also understand follow-up questions and provide relevant responses. Number 2. ChatGPT has also been trained on a large dataset of conversational text, making it well-suited for generating realistic and coherent conversation. Number 3. One potential use case for ChatGPT is in the development of chatbots. With its ability to understand context and generate human-like text, ChatGPT can be used to create more advanced and natural-sounding chatbots. Number 4. Another potential use case is in the field of content creation. With its text generation capabilities, ChatGPT can be used to generate written content, such as news articles or product descriptions, in a fraction of the time it would take a human writer. Drawbacks or disadvantages of ChatGPT. Following are the drawbacks or disadvantages of ChatGPT. It may generate incorrect information occasionally. Hence, validate response yourself specifically when it involves calculations or formula or language-related code examples to specific queries such as MATLAB or Python codes. It can be manipulated to violate the policies and restrictions that has been enforced on it by using cleverly thought responses. It has limited knowledge of latest technologies and events which are yet to be trained on the model. Though there are few limitations of ChatGPT, it is one of the excellent virtual assistant. It is rapidly evolving field with lot of growth, potential, and development. It can be improved in understanding natural languages, to handle more complex tasks, improvement in increased personalization, integration with other technologies, etc. Refer Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning, Augmented Reality for more information. GPT-4 Updates.
GPT-4 is the latest AI system from OpenAI, the lab that created dall and ChatGPT. GPT-4 is a breakthrough in problem-solving capabilities. For example, you can ask it how you would clean the inside of a tank filled with piranhas, and it'll give you something useful. It can also read, analyze, or generate up to 25,000 words of text. It can write code in all major programming languages. And it understands images as input and can reason with them in sophisticated ways. Most importantly, after we created GPT-4, We spent months making it safer and more aligned with how you want to use it. The methods we've developed to continuously improve GPT-4 will help us as we work towards AI systems that will empower us all.
My upcoming videos. So do subscribe and hit the bell icon. And like it if you liked the video.